Hello everybody, how are you all? Right, today we are going to discuss a new topic on syllabification. Okay, what is syllabification? A syllabification is a division of a word by syllables. By syllables. What is a syllable? It is a unit of pronunciation having one vowel. Take one example, banana. Banana. So we can break this word, we can syllabify this word like ba-na-na. So this is one syllable, this is one syllable, this is one syllable. So each syllable, each part should have a vowel sound. Okay. So it is a unit of pronunciation having one vowel, not the letters, sound. You know, A, E, I, O, U, sounds. It is like in our Tamil, R to O. Okay. There cannot be a syllable without a vowel. A syllable should have a vowel sound. Okay. What is the importance of syllabification? This is for easy English reading. Okay. But exact pronunciation is important. Exact pronunciation. Then only you can correctly syllabify the words. What is monosyllabic word? A word which has one syllable is called the monosyllabic word. Then what is disyllabic word? It has two syllables. Okay. Trisyllabic, three syllables. Tetrasyllabic word, it has four syllables. Pentasyllabic word, it has five syllables. And what it is called, a polysyllabic word. If a word has four and above four syllables is called polysyllabic word. These are all the types of syllabic words. Do you understand? In your exam, they may give some words and you have to syllabify the given words. They may ask what type of syllabic word it is, whether it is mono or disyllabic. Likewise, they may ask this type or that type. Clear? Shall we see some examples? For learning a foreign language or its grammar, it is very important to know everything about the grammar of your mother tongue. Then only it is very easy to learn other languages, right? Through your mother tongue, you can easily learn other language grammar. Okay. So today I am going to explain this syllabification and how to syllabify a particular word through our mother tongue. Okay. Look at this example, banana. Again, we'll take the same example, banana. And I told you each syllable should have one vowel sound. Okay. Before syllabifying a given word, you write the particular word in Tamil. Okay. So, ba-na-na. Okay, banana. As our rules, each syllable should have a vowel sound. Okay. Ba-na-na. Here what sound is here? A. Likewise in English, na. Here a sound. That means a. Okay, a sound. Na. Here also a sound. Here also a sound. So as our rules, each syllable has one vowel sound. Likewise, you have to separate the word. Clear? Shall we see some more examples? Okay. Your favorite fruit, apple. Shall we take that? Okay. Apple. Okay. Apple. Write it in Tamil. Apple. So you have to separate a, y, p, il. Correct? But we should not separate like this. We should not break like this because a syllable should not come alone with the consonant sound like this. Okay. So we have to link together this consonant letter with the vowel letter. App. The il should not come alone. So it should be with a vowel sound. Okay. So apple. So you have to syllabify apple. A-P-P-L-E. Usually, two consonant letters should not come together. Two consonant letters should not come together. Next example, donkey. donkey. Okay, donkey. Do, in. In should not come alone. So it should combine together with vowel sound. So dawn, it is a single syllable. Right? Key. Okay, key. So we should take combine together, all together, key. This is also a single syllable. So 1 plus 1, 2. It is called the donkey, the word. This is called disyllabic. See this example, education. Okay, education. So the extra fitting words like suffix or prefix, so those words, it should not be broken into syllables. Okay. Syllabify the term. We have to take it as a whole and we have to take it as a single syllable. Okay. So now classify this. Now just break this word education. Education. So already a vowel sound is here. Okay. Ju, K, and we have to take this all together. So shan. So education. 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 Is it clear? Right. So next example, introduction. Here what is the prefix term? In. Okay. Suffix term shan. Okay. So we have to separate this in. Okay. We should not combine this T with here. Int you should not take like that. Because T is a consonant letter. So we have to combine together with the vowel. Not like that. For prefix suffix terms it should come alone. Okay. So it is a 4-syllabic word that is called tetrasyllabic word. Okay. I hope this syllabification part is very clear. If you have any clarifications, just send me a message. Thank you.